This is a room where the bride gets ready, bridal dressing room. There is a feeling of excitement and joy, unexplained happiness in bride. She is very crazy. Uh, she is a bride sister with her drama queen. Yeah, our drama queen getting sleeping. She looks sleepy head. Bride is waving her hand at me. It's time for walk to mandapam. See the look of happiness across her face. So this wedding ceremony is going to be absolutely beautiful. And I'm so glad that we will be escorting bride on that special day. Gorgeous hairstyle, beautiful face, even her dressing, jewelry, even the color of the saree is glowing up. There is no words to comment on her glorious beauty. She is looking wonderful in saree. She looks prettiest. All my siblings and me accompanying the bride. Actually, the story is about two lovebirds. The bride, she is a very popular girl in my yes. She is a very popular girl of my golden family because of her beauty and her family. She belongs to traditional family, the daughter whose father was a normal businessman. She was very talented, whose only dream was to achieve name and fame and to make her parents proud. Now she is ready to hold his hands for the rest of the life. She is ready to spend her whole life with him. Finally, the lovebirds were together. Siblings, siblings make her wedding day even more vibrant. Yeah, the bride and groom sitting at the center, and the siblings, parents, other family members stand around them. Siblings and cousins of the bride and groom would be the most excited in the wedding. Yeah, they are one of the most important members on this occasion. And we have a great time. We spend some quality time. Yeah, whole huge gang of siblings who exist only to create more excitement. No wedding ceremony is ever complete without them. Yeah, we can make each and every moment wonderful. We spend together. There is a unforgettable moments. The children enjoying themselves on the stage beside the couple. Yeah, with jolly atmosphere, we enjoying ourselves to waving hands together to celebrate this special occasion that we have found the cutest selfie videos. There is a most adorable videos with my family members. We have fun. She is expressing her happiness through her smile. She is very happy because she was marrying the man that she wanted to be her husband. It's an incredible moment of going from a single person to married person because she achieved her ultimate life goal and all of her loved ones are there. Even groom looks like a prince in ethnic. Yeah. They are placing Jeelakara Bellam paste on each other's head, and bride smiled, looking into each other's eyes, promising a beautiful future. Yeah. She is trying to look like a shy bride. Simultaneously, the partition between couple is removed. See, it is Jeelagara Bellam paste event. Here, the groom and bride are seated opposite to each other on the mandapam. separated by a curtain so that they cannot see each other until the couple is asked to place Jelakara Bellam paste on each other's head. This is the most important ritual of the wedding on the Sumuhurtam. This is the auspicious wedding time. The bride and groom apply a paste of Jelakara Bellam. It means a paste made of pounded cumin and jaggery. So the significance of this ritual is to promise each other to be inseparable, that the married couple's relationship is unbreakable. This is the actual muhurtam. Really, both of them might have struggled a lot to make this day happen. Maybe it was a long distance relationship. May God bless them with love and affection to eternity. Groom is damn lucky to have a beautiful wife like her. Speechless emotions. May God bless you both, the couple, with eternal love. See, here the helpers of the bride and groom trying to press the Jeelakara Bellam paste on the top of each other's head. And the priest chanting the slokas and asked the bride to sit beside groom. They are sitting next to each other. They are taking blessings, and it's time for photography. Wedding photography should be a priority. Wedding photography, it is very important because it will capture the day. It will capture our memories, right? It is about capturing moments. It is emotions through beautiful photos, smiling moments. All siblings of groom taking photos with bride. Following that, the bride is asked to dress up in white saree and the groom in white dhoti for Mangalasutra Dharana. Yeah, we are taking selfies here. A selfie video, it has become a symbol of happiness. All we want to be happy, want to be cherish the moments, want to create new memories. We just to remember those moments. Selfies are amazing. Click a lots of pictures. We make sure we leave those moments also. See, beautiful couple are there, recently married couple, and kids are happy. Kids entertained at a wedding. They engaged in taking photos and videos. They are the best entertainers with a hint of innocence. Most enjoyable activities for sure. Great. White saree with red border makes for a perfect outfit. Yeah, beautiful bride. As a part of the Mangalasutra Dharana ritual, the bride wears a white saree with red border. The groom wears a white dhoti. See, white symbolizes the purity and represents the strength. Every girl has a delighted emotion. When she marry her man after long struggle, satisfaction and happiness in bride's eyes is everything in marriage. This is the most beautiful moments. See, marriage is the best things in anyone's life. It is the start of new life, new beginning, where two different individuals meet. Yeah, every girl has that dream that she wants the perfect guy with whom she gets married and live rest of her life. But with this, she also wants that her parents should be equally happy at the time of her marriage. They should be proud by showering their blessings. It's time for Mangala Sutra Dharana. While the priest recites the slokas, the groom is asked to tie the Mangala Sutram around the bride's neck with knots. This represents the union of couple physically, mentally, and spiritually. Everybody bless the new couple by sprinkling akshantalu. The bride expresses her respect towards the groom. Parents and parents of groom and bride and their siblings are blessing by sprinkling akshantalu on them. At this moment, the maternal uncle of the bride adorns her second toe of both the legs with metallu, silver toe rings. He is also one of the godfather to the bride. She loved very much. He is also one of the godfather to the bride, whom she loved very much. Please take photos. He gives blessings to both. He is giving blessings. It's party time.
పాపకు పట్టుకుంటారు. వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే వేస్తారంట.
One, two, three, four.
వాళ్ళు వేస్తారంట మా